All right, house hunters, listen up. Are you tired of mowing lawns and cleaning your gutters? Yeah, me too. Welcome to Oceanique number 704 here in Hutchinson Island, where your biggest chore is going to be to decide which balcony you want to drink your morning coffee. Spoiler alert, they both have views like this. Forget the cramped condo vibes. This 3-bedroom plus a den condo gives you house vibes without the house headaches. We got granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast bar that's practically begging for some mimosas. So your master suite is like a daily vacation. You wake up with the ocean, then you have to debate. You want to take a long soak in the tub or a hot steamy shower? Tough life, right? In-unit laundry? Check. Private one-car garage so your ride stays pretty? Double check. And the perks just keep on rolling. Private beach? Obviously. Oceanfront pool, tennis, gym, billiards, fun social scene? Yes, yes, and yes. Nestled on North Hutchinson Island, you've got nature trails and water access on tap. Plus, you're perfectly sandwiched between Vero Beach and Fort Pierce for all your foodie and shopping needs. It's all about location. Are you ready to upgrade your address and your lifestyle? This Oceanique condo won't last. Hit me up and let's get you in here. Your future self will thank you, probably with a cocktail on the balcony.